If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Coming to you from sunny Golden, Colorado, here today to walk through the instructions of how to set up our Morrison 2 backpacking tent. It's a great two-person, two-pole, two-vestibule design that we really focus on the ease of the setup and the quality of the construction. Walk through it with us. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay out your tent body on the ground, and once you've done so, you're going to access the contents of your stuff sack, which include tent stakes, tent fly, and poles. These 70-75 aluminum tent poles are segmented and shock corded together. You'll notice that the tent poles are color coded, one set being silver, one set being anodized gold. We're going to then take each of the poles and lay it across the tent in an X-shaped pattern following the corresponding color of the clips. Gold on gold, silver on silver. And then we'll proceed with staking out the corners of the tents. Very important that you drive these stakes into the ground at a 45-degree angle facing away from the tent. It'll ensure that you get a nice tight pitch. With the stakes firmly planted in the ground and a nice tight pitch to the tent, we can now insert the poles into the color-coded grommets on the corner. Following the pole along the arc, affix these clips as you go. Once you reach the top of the tent, you've got two plastic J-hooks that come across from opposing sides and make sure that you have a really nice tight pitch. Next, we're going to attach the fly to the tent. You'll see that the webbing attachments on the corner of the fly correspond with the colored webbing attachments on the bottom of the tent itself, again making it very, very easy to decide which orientation the fly sits on top of the tent. You've got a front and rear guy out point for the vestibule, pulling it as far away from the tent as I can, and again at that magic 45-degree angle, driving that stake down to the ground. The next place you're going to want to utilize one of the tent stakes is going to be on these guy lines on the side of the tent. You'd simply insert your stake into the bottom of the 3mm reflective cord, pull it a couple feet away from the tent body, and drive that stake down into the ground. And then come up here to these tension locks that can be pulled backwards to loosen and pulled down to tighten to get a nice tight pitch on the side of your tent. And finally, your tent's equipped with vents on either side of the fly. These will allow for greater ventilation inside, so in rainy, humid conditions, we can increase the airflow inside the tent and help reduce any sort of condensation that might happen in there during your night's sleep. The Mountainsmith Morrison 2 tent, a very easy to set up, great two-person, two-pole backpacking tent for your next adventure. Thanks a lot for watching.
Hey, Phil Hazeltine here with Kelty. Today we're going to talk about the award-winning Salida 2. This lightweight two-person backpacking tent is durably built and sets up in a snap. While it can't set itself up, the compact folding poles and innovative hug clips make this simple two-pole design almost a snap to set up. With 30 square feet, you can really spread out and get comfortable. 360-degree mesh panels offer exceptional breathability, while 68 denier polyester sidewalls provide additional privacy. In case of a sudden downpour, the full coverage rainfly is 100% seam taped to keep you dry in even the worst conditions. And when it's time to head out, the Salida breaks down as quickly and easily as it sets up, and fits conveniently in its cube carry bag for easy transport. Don't weigh your adventures down. Instead, grab the lightweight and durably built Salida 2.